I don't wish to answer questions.
Let me do some field sobriety.
I don't think so.
Is that your current address?
Is that a question?
Yes, sir. Is that your current address?
Do I answer questions?
Okay, I'll just assume that's incorrect then. The reason I pulled you over is you were yelling something from your car.
So what?
Where are you coming from?
You saw me where I was coming from.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On July 20th, 2022, Clear Lake Community Watch was driving in Seabrook, Texas, when he noticed a traffic stop being conducted by the Harris County Sheriff's Office, blocking one of the opposing lanes and a driveway. Clear Lake exercised his First Amendment right to redress his grievances with the officer through his window.
Fuck the police!
In Texas, an operator intending to turn a vehicle right or left shall signal continuously for not less than the last 100 feet of movement of the vehicle before the turn. Based on the satellite view, 100 feet would be here, and in the video, Clear Lake's turn indicator is heard activated here. But Deputy Vega abandoned or cleared the traffic stop he was on to pursue his disapproving constituent while activating his emergency lights to initiate a traffic stop. Clear Lake Community Watch immediately pulls into the Valero gas station.
Roll it down?
Why do you pull me over?
I'll tell you that if you roll it down.
Why can't you tell me now?
Because the reason I pulled you over is you were yelling something from your car.
So what?
Huh?
So what? That's why you pull me over? Because I'm yelling?
I don't know if you're in need of help or anything.
Oh, I don't need help.
So,
Thank you.
Okay, let me see your driver's license real quick.
I don't need help.
Okay, can I see your driver's license?
What for?
Can you use the turn signal when you made a turn?
Of course I did.
Let me see your driver's license.
You can hear the sound on the dash cam too.
Let me see your driver's license.
Deputy Vega initially claims that the reason for the stop was because Clear Lake yelled something out his window, and that he was checking to see if he needed help. This initial claim is likely what will cause the agency to settle an incoming lawsuit, as it leaves the impression that this stop was initiated in retaliation to Clear Lake's use of free speech, after affirming he doesn't need help. As was indicated by Clear Lake driving away in the first place, the deputy then erroneously claims that he didn't use his turn indicator, but the dashcam footage shows otherwise. Clear Lake is carrying a firearm in an outer waistband holster on his right hip, so when the deputy requests his driver's license, he displays his ID and firearms permit through the window, as Texas Transportation Code 521.025 clearly states a driver must carry, exhibit, and display their license during a lawful traffic stop. And aside from accusations that this stop is unlawful and retaliatory in nature, nowhere does the code state you must surrender physical possession to the officer. Upon viewing the permit, Deputy Vega inquires about whether there is a weapon in the vehicle.
You can just crack the window if that's what you want to do.
It's already cracked.
I can't see that.
Well,
This thing.
it doesn't matter. Here. I don't wish to answer questions.
You have to let me know if there's a weapon in the car. Did you not take the class?
I did.
Did they tell you you have to tell them?
When you demand identification, I have to display this. That's what they told me in the class, that's what the law says.
The officer wants to take a weapon.
And actually, if I don't display, there's really not much you can do because there is no penalty attached to that. I have to carry this if I'm carrying this.
Are you carrying?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so if you have a weapon in the car, then what?
You got one on your hip. So what?
Unsuccessful with the maybe you need help narrative, demanding to roll down his window, the pass me your driver's license, and the do you have a weapon approach, Deputy Vega now asks Clear Lake if he smells alcohol.
Do I smell alcohol in your breath?
No, you don't.
How do I know?
Because you can't smell my
I
breath?
can smell something coming
Oh,
out.
really?
Let's see. Let me do some field sobriety.
I don't think so.
Okay. Yeah, where are you coming from?
Huh?
Where are you coming from?
You saw me where I was coming
No,
from.
I just saw you driving down.
Are you done with this?
I'm done with that, yeah.
All right, cool.
Where are you coming from?
I don't answer questions, I've already told you. Let me know when I'm free to go.
Still desperate to find something to use in retaliation against Clear Lake, Deputy Vega inspects the lights on the front of the vehicle.
Also, what is your name? What's your name? Your name? Sheriff, that's your name? Sheriff?
Right above it, right there. You see it?
I'm not familiar with the English alphabet, sir.
It's on the ticket.
Okay, can I have it? Can I have an incident number, please? Oh, a ticket, okay.
Instead of identifying himself by saying, Deputy Vega, a total of 5 syllables, the deputy appears to use Clear Lake's request as an opportunity to mock the fact that English is his second language, responding instead with 25 syllables to violate his agent's policy to identify himself to a member of the public.
So do me a favor, while I have you here, okay? I don't want you exiting the vehicle because you have a weapon in the car.
Did I exit the vehicle? Did I exit the vehicle?
Give you a heads up.
Did I exit the vehicle? Hey, can I? You do have a dash cam, right? Very good. You can't just pull me over because I said fuck the police. I hope you realize that. Stupid fuck.
A moment later, the deputy returns.
I'm sorry? Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah.
Can you show it to me, please? It doesn't come back.
Of course it comes back.
Not on my system, it doesn't.
As Clear Lake looks for his insurance papers, the deputy returns to the real reason he initiated the stop: free speech.
Also, it's not typical behavior for somebody to be yelling out of the vehicle. Have you had anything to drink tonight? Is that your current address?
Is that a question?
Yes, sir. Is that your current address?
Do I answer questions?
Okay, I'll just assume that's incorrect then.
And why would you do that?
I'm asking you a simple question.
Did you read my address on the driver
It
license?
didn't have an address. It didn't have an apartment number on your driver's
Of course it does.
Let me see. Can you verify?
You've already seen it. I've already complied with that part.
I don't. But I'm just saying, it didn't have a driver. It didn't have an apartment number
Of course it does.
on your address, on your driver's license.
Man.
Okay, I'll be right back.
The officer returns a moment later and again initiates the discussion by showing his disdain for Clear Lake exercising his right to free speech.
Yeah, I say that I've never met anybody quite like you that would yell at an officer doing their job. But
So,
you have a great
let
day.
me
There's no
understand.
warnings, no fines, no penalties.
May I ask you a question?
There's questions on there. There's the address.
Yeah,
There's
no, I
the-
have a
there's
question.
an incident
Can you
number
get
on
your
the thing right
supervisor
there.
here, please?
No,
Is the stop over?
the stop is over. You may leave.
All right.
You don't exit until I get out. Until I leave.
Well, you said the stop is over, right?
You don't get out until I have to-
Okay, I'm not getting out. I will.
Open the door. Let me get back to my car.
Okay, there is no need to draw your weapon, man. Are you fucking drawing your weapon, you fucker?
Don't get out of the car.
I didn't get out of the car. You told me that already.
I'm giving you a direct order. Stop
Yeah.
the vehicle.
Did I get out of the car?
Shut the door.
Go fuck yourself.
That's exactly right.
Yeah, right over there you can.
The deputy leaves after issuing Clear Lake a warning for not using his turn indicator and drawing his weapon as he leaves. It seems clear to most who have watched this video that the entire stop was in retaliation for contempt of cop, as the deputy clearly jumps from one allegation to the next without truly pursuing any of them, brings up the yelling multiple times, and griefs Clear Lake about his speech.
I'm not familiar with the English alphabet, sir.
Though the deputy was the only one on scene stumbling over his words.
Let me see your driver's license.
Did I exit the vehicle?
It didn't have an address. It didn't have an apartment number. Let me see. Can you verify? But I'm just saying, it didn't have a driver. It didn't have an apartment number
Of course it does.
on your address, on your driver's license.
May I ask you a question?
There's questions on there. There's the address.
Yeah,
There's
no, I
the-
have a
and
question.
there's an incident
Can you
number
get
on
your
the thing right there.
supervisor?
Deputy Vega clearly lacks the temperament required to hold a position of authority. Pulling someone over for free speech and redressing their grievances is clearly un-American and an egregious violation of Clear Lake's constitutional rights. He intends to file a complaint and a lawsuit, and now we wait for the body cam and dash cam records to be released. Clear Lake Community Watch has a bunch of other videos that are worth watching on his channel. His links can be found below. Be sure to head over there and let him know I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.